Welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. We all know it's great to make Surya Namaskaras as a part of your practice. Today we're going to practice the Surya Namaskara with a twist. If you are running short on time and you have only say 15-20 minutes for your practice, practice 2 to 3 rounds of this variation and you've got a fairly balanced practice going. Let's get started. We're going to be following the flow of the classical Surya Namaskara and introduce asanas in between. If you need blocks for support during your practice, you can keep them ready so it's easy for you to use. We're going to start at the top of the mat and we'll start with our feet about hip width apart, palms at the heart center in Anjali Mudra. Keep your pelvis neutral. Now as you inhale, take your arms forward and up. Arch back, you're not collapsing your head, your arms are in line with your ears. Move your hips forward to arch back. As you exhale, come back to neutral position. We'll do this 2 more times. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, back to neutral. Last one. Inhale, arch back. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lengthen forward and go all the way down. Now if you're not able to reach the floor here, you can always place the palms on the block so your spine is nice and lengthened. If you are able to reach the floor, I want you to start to shift your weight towards your fingertips. So your heels lift up and slowly come back. Rocking forward, shifting the weight to the fingertips and back. Last one, lean forward and come back. Fingertips on the floor or on the blocks. You're going to take your left foot, take it behind your right. Move your right fingertips to the outer part of your right foot and stay here. For 1, 2, deep breaths throughout and 3. Start walking your palms back to the center. Release the left leg. And let's switch to the other side. Right leg goes back, twisting towards your left side. 1, my right leg is absolutely straight. There can be a micro bend in your left knee. 2 and 3. Walk the palms back, slowly come back to neutral position. From here, you're going to step the right foot back. But instead of placing the knee down, you're going to place the heel down diagonally on the mat, 45 degrees. Bend your left knee, inhale and come up to Virabhadrasana A. Lift your chin up, look up, breathe. 1. You're not overarching the back, keep the pelvis neutral, hips squared. 2, 3, 4, 5. As you exhale, straighten your left knee, full forward fold into Parshva Uttanasana. Here again, you can use your blocks at a comfortable height. Straighten the knee, keep the spine long. As you get comfortable in this posture, you can remove the blocks, get your chest towards the thigh, chin towards the shin. 1, 2, we have a tendency to open the hip in this posture. You want to make sure your hips are squared towards the floor. 2, 3, gazing at the toes. 4, 5. Inhale, gently lift your chest up. Your right hand can stay close to the arch of the foot, or if you're very comfortable, you can take it outside of your left foot. Lift your left arm up and twist into Parivritta Trikonasana. 1, 2, deep breaths. If you're comfortable with Ujjayi breathing, practice Ujjayi. 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back down. Take your heel off the mat. Take the left foot back to plank position. Before we go to Ashtanga Namaskara, bring your left palm to the center, drop your heels to the left side, lift your right arm up into side plank. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can drop the left knee down on the floor and simply keep your right leg extended or even lift it up for a little bit more of a challenge. If this is very comfortable, go back into side plank. Stay here and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Gently come back into plank with control. Drop your knees down, move your hips back, walk your hands forward and get your chest and chin to the floor in puppy pose. Now if this is challenging, just your forehead can go down. Once that starts to get comfortable, stay here, chest chin down to the mat and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly walk your palms back. Come back with your shoulders in line with the wrist. Lean forward gently. You're not dropping your hip down. Hip stays engaged. Your glutes are engaged. Lower abdomen engaged. From here, lean just the shoulders forward. Exhale, you're going to go down to the floor. Inhale and come up. Exhale down. Inhale up. 2. Exhale down. Inhale up. 3. If you are unable to go all the way down, you can just go halfway down and up. What I don't want you to do is sink the hip down. Be mindful of that. Last one. Exhale down. Inhale up. This time you're going to go all the way down to the floor. Exhale, chest and chin to the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. As you inhale, slide forward, lie down on your belly. We are going to practice a variation of Bhujangasana here. As you inhale, you're going to lift your chest up, hands off the mat. Exhale, take your hands forward, thumbs touch each other. Inhale and come back. Exhale and go back to the floor. Inhale, chest up, feet are firm, feet are not lifting off. Exhale, hands forward. Inhale back. Exhale and down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale. Inhale, arms back. Exhale and down. Last time, we're going to prepare to hold. Inhale, chest up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands forward. 3. My arms are not dropping. Try to lift your chest up. Engage your shoulders and lift the arms up. 2, 1. Inhale, arms back. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go back down. From here, tuck your toes. Lift your hips up into downward facing dog. You notice you are following the flow of the classical Surya Namaskara. As you inhale, you're going to lift your right leg up without opening the hip. So your hip is going to be squared. Now from here, as you inhale, open your hip, bend the right knee. As you exhale, close the hip, straighten the right knee. Inhale and open. Exhale, close. 2. Inhale and open as much as you can. Exhale and close. Last one. Inhale, open. Breathe here. 3, 2, 1. Exhale and close. 3, 2, 1. Step the right foot right behind your right palm. Left foot behind the left palm. Squat into Malasana. Palms at the heart center. Lift your chest up. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. If your heels are lifting off, you can always roll up your mat to support the heels. 2, 1. Take your hands forward. Engage your lower abdomen. Very gently with control, roll down and immediately lift the legs up into Navasana. You can stay here if you're very comfortable. Extend all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees. Now try this without the support of your hands. Place your feet on the mat. Use your abdomen. Lean forward. Come up into a standing forward fold. Right palm holds the left elbow. Left palm, right elbow. Lengthen your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your arms here. As you inhale, extend, lengthen forward, come up. Open up your arms and take your hands behind you, interlace the fingers, roll your shoulders back. Inhale and arch back. Exhale to neutral, 1. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, neutral, 2. Inhale and arch back. Exhale, neutral. Release your hands. Close your eyes and relax here for a few seconds. That was your Surya Namaskara with the twist and with some variations. Remember, we've only practiced it on the right side, so do not forget to do it on your left so that you balance out your practice. I really hope you enjoy this practice and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.